Hey guys, you see the oil dripping near the oil filter? The chances are the gaskets of oil filter housing might be bad. Now I will show you how to replace it. It's pretty simple. The best time to change it is when we change the engine oil and oil filter. As you see, there are 3 bolts that securing the housing, and I have to remove them. They are not super tight, but to remove the top bolt is tricky because of the tight space. To reach the top bolt easily, I use a TEKTON 3/8 drive, 12mm, 6-point universal joint socket with shallow socket. You want to know more detail about this tool? I provide the info on the description below. After loosening the bolts, I just use my finger to take them out. This way is faster. Now I'm doing the same way for the other 2 bolts. Now I will wipe off all the old oil and clean the dirt from the metal part where the gasket sits. After I remove the filter housing, as you see, the gasket still stick on the metal, look dry, flattened, and not sealing properly anymore. This is the oil filter housing after I clean it. I got this new gasket from Amazon. I provide the part number in the video description below. Before I install new gaskets, I apply Nappa Silk Light lubricant on the metal where the gaskets sit to hold the gasket in place. This lubricant will keep the gasket from falling while I put the filter housing back together. As you see, that is the metal part where the gasket sits. I use a C-foam deep grip lubricant, or if necessary I will use fine sandpaper to remove any dried oil or debris to smooth the surface to ensure a proper seal. After that, I reinstall the 3 bolts by finger for faster installation, then using the tools again for tightening the bolts. The last step is to torch all 3 bolts to 16 foot-pound, not too tight, but just enough to seal it up. That's it guys, no more oil leak and the car is ready to go. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, drop a comment or hit the like button below. Thank you.